Hey, Impact Innovators, it's Lysandra, and today I'm bringing you behind the scenes of something I'm super excited about. Building a whole new income stream for myself with my very own t-shirt print shop using this right here, the Transfer Express Marketing Kit. So if you have ever wanted to start a creative business from home but didn't know where to start or didn't have a big budget, sis, this is just might be what you have been waiting for. So let me tell you why I am doing this. First of all, before we jump into the marketing kit, I love things like typography, clever sayings, and meaningful quotes. And I kept seeing people making money, printing t-shirts for schools, small businesses, family reunions. And I thought to myself, wait a minute, I can do this too. And as a single mom who's all about multiple streams of income in addition to working a job, I wanted something I could start without a huge investment. That's where Transfer Express came in. And full disclaimer, they are not paying me to say any of this. I bought this with my own extra money, working extra hours at my job, but trust me, it was well worth it. So let's look at what's actually inside of this marketing kit. It came with everything that I need to hit the ground running. And so what we have is, first we have this marketing book. And this marketing book, guys, hopefully you can see it. So it has all of these things in it. Hopefully you can see that. And what it says is it has like getting started. You have your basic building blocks. You have things for school, sports, work, special occasions like fundraisers, family reunions. But what this book is, I'm going to try to turn it so you can see it. Like it has designs that you can customize in their design editor. They have I think it's called Easy View Design Editor. And the things that are in this book go with what's in the Easy Design Editor. So what you would do is you can go to their website. Of course, you got to sign up. And then you pick out, let's say, if you're doing a family reunion, they have a template that you can customize and you can present it. So let's say, for instance, somebody calls you for a quote. Hey, we need like 50 t-shirts for our family reunion. You go to the Easy View Designer. I think that's what it's called. You go to the Easy View Designer, and then you can pick a template. You can customize it, send it over with your quote. You don't even have to be like a graphic designer. Boom, bam. It's just all there done for you. And everything that's in this book goes with what's on the Easy View Designer. So say like if you had an in-person meeting or somebody just stopped you on the fly or whatever it was, you could easily open this up, pick out a design, show it to them, submit the quote, and easily get the job. What it does is this cuts down on a lot of guesswork where you're trying to go on Google, figure it out, create these designs, all that. No, sis. You can easily get this for less than $100, and it's a full kit. And this can help you at least with the quote part and the design part because everything is done for you. Then also in this kit, they had a lot in here. They have like these little stickers that I'm probably not going to use because I'm not like a sticker person. And I thought this was cool too. They have digital assets. So on this little postcard, it talks about it. So if you sign up and you get this marketing kit, they have like pre-made apparel mock-ups, promotional images, videos for your social media. You can do posters, you can do flyers, but all that is like right there in the website, and you only will have access to this after you purchase the marketing kit. So like I said, it's less than $100, but it is well worth it. And then they have some of these things I have not opened up because I have been diligently working on my website and things like that. So we're going to open it together. So these are screen printed stock print numbers. So you have these, and these are, I'm going to use these for like my samples to do like on a shirt. as just a display. So you got these, and then you have, this is neat, what to use and how to use it. Hopefully you guys can see that. So it's like a little guide that will show you like what would be the best product from Transfer Express to use depending on how many colors it is and what type of design it is. So this is a what to use when for their products. And then you have a price guide, which is very cool. So once again, like I said, it takes the guesswork out. So they have it by everything, like the standard gang sheet, you got the jumbo gang sheet, but you got everything like in pricing, one color, two color, but everything is done for you. And this is the price guide, very helpful. And then let's keep going to see what else we have. And then we have the t-shirt and tote bag. So they give out samples, and in here, there are two like transfers, DTF transfers that I am going to use for my content. So let's open this up. There's that. So, and like I said, you get all this with the kit. So this is just a black shirt. And then you have your tote bag that you could sample. This is the tote bag. And then these are the transfers that you can use on your samples. So there are two here. So you have like this, and then you have this. So I'm going to be using these on these to do like content and just to show people what is possible with a DTF transfer. So you get that in the kit. And then also I got the apparel printing color selection. So there's that. And this just shows the different colors. I believe, oh, this is for the apparel printing. So these would be like the different colors you could choose from. So you have like a nice little color selector there. And what he did in the video was he gave an example. Let's say like had a job for a school, you could easily take these colors and match it up. So this is a really good tool. And this is the 2025 color selector for apparel printing. So I got that as well. Hopefully you guys can see that. Hopefully you can see that. And then next there was this is the guide for like the different blanks that they have that you could get from Transfer Express, and they literally have every type of blank you could think of, but there is that. And there's no pricing in here, but it has like a lot of different things you could print. So this was in the kit as well. And then they gave me a sample pack of different transfers. Now there are quite a bit of transfers in here, but on this, I think I can turn around, maybe you can see it. Like it has all these transfers. Like all of these are in there. So I'm not going to take them all out, but I'm going to kind of show you. And like these alone, ooh, this is my first time taking them out. So all of these transfers are like in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these gang sheets and I'm going to cut them, and then I'm going to make my own designs for my content. But like these were in there. Yeah. So very, very nice. So I'm going to be cutting these and be, like I said, doing my own content. But I got all this for less than $100. It is like almost like a business in a box. So I am literally ready to go start quoting jobs and showing content of what is possible with DTF transfers. So you're probably thinking, okay, what's your plan? So here's my plan. I'm going to start local. I'm using this marketing kit to reach out to like small businesses, schools, and churches in my area. I'll be creating flyers and catalogs or different things to show what's possible and offer simple custom designs with clever sayings. With the help of Transfer Express, I can do birthday shirts, family reunion shirts, all that. And the best part is I don't have to be a designer. They give me templates. They can give you templates, and their Easy View Designer makes it super simple. Now, if you're the go-to person for creative ideas, or You always wanted to come up with things like fun quotes or cute sayings. This kind of business is perfect. You can start small, offer great quality with no huge machine investment, and build your brand one shirt at a time. And because you're ordering DTF transfers, you don't have to stock like tons of inventory or worry about complicated printing setup like with screen printing. It's affordable, it's flexible, and it works. So I'm filming, like, if you're wondering, I know some people are, well, you know, how much money does it take, things like that. So this is the, hopefully I'm not out of frame. This is my whole setup. Like, my son built this desk for me. It was less than $100. It's holding up by the two sawhorses there. Like this, like all this desk part was like less than $100. And he built this for me. Very easy to do. He got it done in a day. And then like everything here, my tumbler press, I got a hat press, and my 15, I think it's 15 by 12 or 12 by 15. I may have the numbers transposed, but I got this on eBay, not on eBay, on Amazon for like less than 200 bucks. My money said do this, so I'm starting with this. So you figure 2, 3, and then all the accessories that I have, like my heat resistant tape, lint roller, not these because I order these like as I need them, but I would say right at 500, no more than 6, but very economical to do. And you don't have to buy everything all at once. You can buy it as you go, but this is just what my setup looks like. And I forgot to tell you guys one other thing that was in my kit was this. So this is actually a folder, and not a folder, but a poster. And on this poster, it shows like Transfer Express give you guides of where to place like your DTF transfers. So this just shows like a shirt, if you want to do a leg print, a sleeve print, things like that. So this was in there as well. You got your number styles here, but this is a huge poster where it shows you as a guide of where to press your DTF transfer. So that was in my kit as well. But yeah, this is my setup. So easily doable. If I could do it, like I said, I still work a regular job. I just worked a couple of hours extra just to buy this stuff. But I'm excited to start. And trust me, if I can do it, you can do it. And this actually, hopefully you guys can see it. This is one of the designs that I created. So this is one of my shirts. I love it. I created this. I'm gonna stand up a little bit. Hopefully you guys can see it. But yeah, so if I can do that, you definitely can do that as well. Now, if you have been sitting on the idea of starting another stream of income, like a t-shirt business, this is your sign to start. You can start small, start smart, but just start. Check out the Transfer Express marketing kit, and I'll drop the link in the description box. I don't get anything from it, but I'll do that. And take that first step just like I did. Thank you all for hanging out with me, watching this video. I'll be sharing my journey as I grow this business. So don't forget to subscribe, like, or just comment if this inspired you. And with that, I'll see you in the next video.